Hey guys, so I hope you have like very happy Saturday, and we are like going to onto the tattoo shop festival today again, but as the first I need to eat, as I said, I love like this soup. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I already set up like everything for us. And just let's take a look around on my boyfriend's tattoo shop, because I have my own mine like a Canggu, and he has his own in a Seminyak. So this is actually it. Looks sick though, huh? Let's look around. Let's take a look around upstairs. I think this is really great studio. I love it. I love everything about it. I mean the style, the pool, we are having parties in here at the evening. Really big parties, yeah. Oh yeah. Where are the lights? I'm not sure. If you are finding yourself in Seminyak, I think this is also the great place to visit. I mean instead of my studio. But yeah, but in Seminyak, yeah. In Canggu, you have to visit Canggu Paradise Ink, and that's my studio. It will be ready to open next week. I just catch the bite. I thought it's actually. It's alive, and now you see, oh my god, yeah, go block. Yeah, right on this crossroad. I love the style. I love the style. It's so amazing. Oh yeah. Why is it not working? What am I missing? Okay, to finally. Yeah. Good. See? Amazing, huh? I love, when the boys, are so, I mean how to say it in English? So into work. Together. This is so amazing. Such an amazing workplace. I love it. They have everything, what I don't have yet, but I will. This is such an amazing club. I have the same one. Really nice place, huh? Okay, let's fix it again, because otherwise it's too hot in here. Oh. I can tell that Bali it's so much hotter in these days than it was before. But yeah, since we have the global warming, I guess it will not get better. I still remember when I was on the East Java. It was 2 years ago. Man, in November there was so hot. You should not actually take it. You actually walking on the street and feeling how the sun actually hurts your skin. Yeah. So this is the top. There is also really hot in here. Very chilling, very chilling. Yeah, we also have the customers in here, but the boys are setting up some things around, so they have to wait a little bit. But I mean they are friends, not customers, so you don't have to wait, of course, if you have an appointment. This is so nice, huh? I love it. Everything is I haven't had this one yet. Such an amazing style. Oh shit, I just break it. As a judging. Okay, that's because I'm working with my left hand, but I'm just into the right hand. Yeah, let's try it. Oh, almost. Did you see it? Oh my god. It's maybe like 50 or something, huh? Oh, 20 and then, oh gee. Oh, anjing. Okay, one more time. Oh shit, almost. See, I'm getting better. Yeah. Oh, and they are already here. Amazing. Let's have a makan and then, you know, like go like onto the tattoo shop festival. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah? Let's take a look around. Golden Yellow Tattoos video. Bali. Come to visit if you are like in Seminyak. A really great place like for to have a tattoo. Hello, how are you? You good? Okay, let's go inside again because like it's too hot. Yeah, in here like it's so chilling, I can tell. Okay, let's eat. Selamat makan video with this amazing Korean soup. Yummy. And then, you know, like let's go like onto the tattoo festival. Okay, see you later, motherfuckers. Thank you for like you giving me like your attention and also like for us. Have a nice Saturday and see you later, alligators.